Organs removed and used for research without permission. That's what several families of inmates who died in prison accuse UAB of doing. And today we learned the lawsuit against the university will move forward.
UAB filed a motion to dismiss, but the judge denied that. WVTM 13 Zoe Blair was in the courtroom today and spoke with the family of one of those deceased inmates.
What was done to Matthew was barbaric. It was a nefarious act, and it shouldn't have happened.
2 years ago, Marion Harrell lost her little brother. Matthew Harrell died while serving time at the Federal Correctional Institution in Talladega.
The chaplain called and he answered the phone. My mom picked up the phone and he said, "I just wanted to acknowledge sorry for your loss."
He died unexpectedly, and the prison warden ordered a full autopsy to find out what happened without asking the family's permission. Matthew's mom was asked if she would have approved the autopsy.
At the time, we would have. We wanted to know his sudden death.
But she isn't okay with what happened next.
Oh, no, of course not.
According to the Harrell family attorneys, Matthew's organs were removed and tested as part of the autopsy, but never put back in his body. Instead, they say his organs were used by students at UAB.
Students were concerned about this practice back in 2018, that the specimens they were encountering in the lab were overwhelmingly from incarcerated individuals, and they started to ask questions. And those questions were met with an absolute shutdown by the ethics committee at the university medical school.
And they're worried it could still be happening.
After the students raised their concerns, what happened is that the university removed the identification label that said where the organs were coming from. And so the students right now don't know whether they are still operating or testing or practicing on organs that were taken unlawfully.
Marion Harrell says that's why she wants her brother's story told, to keep this from happening to other families.
It does break your heart. There are several families out there where their loved ones are being picked apart. You know, it's just so animalistic to me to go through that. We're hoping that this will stop. It will no longer occur. It will just continue, and that will help other families that are in the same situation.
We asked the defense for a comment on the case as they were leaving the courtroom, but they kept walking and did not speak to us. In Birmingham, Zoe Blair, WVTM 13.
And the next court date for this case has not been set yet. We are going to continue to follow the story and bring you updates as we get them.